spiral stitch is really a versatile technique. It gives you the enormous endless result. Depends on the beads size and what kind of a bead or crystal that you are using for that stitch. So it is a really versatile technique. For this one I have used 4 mm crystal bicon along with 11 seed beads in 2 different colors. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to bead this gorgeous and beautiful flat spiral bead bracelet technique. This bracelet I have beaded using the 6 mm roundels and 11 seed beads in 2 different colors. I have beaded my own clasp. I have taken 2 roundels, 5 silver 11s, 1 teal 11, and 5 silver 11s. Once you strung your beads onto the thread, don't go all the way to the end, just leave a bit of thread for you to hold, and that extra thread you can use it for your clasp attachment as well. Okay, so now pass your needle upward through both the crystals. Okay, don't pass into any of the 11s, only to the crystals. Okay, that's how it should look on the one side of your crystals. 1 teal 11 and 5 silver 11s. Now pass your needle again from bottom to the crystal to upwards, covering both the crystals. Okay, like so. And you can see that now on both sides of the crystal you have this silver, you have this 11 hugging on the both side. Okay, so I have strung 1 crystal bead, 5 silver rows, 5 silver 11s, 1 teal 11 and 5 silver 11. Now pass your needle through this previous crystal and up through the crystal that you just added. Okay, so this is how it will look. Just make sure that now going onwards you don't flip your project into the backward like so, because every 11O that you will add, it will sit on the previous 11Os like so. It will sit like that on the up of the previous 11Os. Okay, so here I have picked up next set of 5 silver 11Os, 1 teal 11O and 5 silver 11Os, and again pass your needle upward through this previous crystal and the new crystal that you added, and make sure you don't accidentally flip your project. And that's how it will look so far. Okay, here I have picked up my next set of beads, 1 crystal and 1 set of 5 11Os, 1 teal and 5 11Os. Okay, and pass your needle from here. Going forward you have to repeat the same step that we repeated over here. You have to insert your needle to the previous 1 crystal and to the new crystal that you added. So every time you have to insert your needle into the 2 crystals, one that you've newly added, and pick up the one that you have added previously, like so. Thread, pull your thread up. So here I have picked up my next set of 11Os. I will insert my needle to the previous crystal and to the through the new crystal that we added, like so. So this is the same step that you have to keep on following until you reach the desired length of your bracelet, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, my friends, so as you can see, I have finished beading my desire until my desired length, and this bracelet is looking so gorgeous. So I have decided not to attach the ready clasp. I will make my own for this one. So for that, to make a loop for our clasp, I have string in 13/11 pass your needle down back to the this first 11 make a loop, and I for the other end, keep in mind that I have used the same 6 crystal that I have used for the bracelet. It's the same size, and that's why I have taken 13 seed beads, which will fit in perfectly. Okay, place your needle down to this 3 beads like that, like this. Okay, now pick up 1/11 and insert your needle to the next 2/11. You can keep this loop as it is, or if you wish you can add a little bit of dimension as like I'm doing over here. So pick up one more 11, pass your needle down through the next 2/11 beads, and pass your needle down through the next 2/11. Pick up one more, pass your needle down through the next 2/11, and pick up one last 11 and pass your needle down to the next 2/11. Okay, and through this third one like so, and pass your thread down to the couple of beads, add a tight and secure knot, and just cut off the thread, and your bracelet is ready. This gorgeous flat spiral bead bracelet. It's a beautiful bracelet.